how to watch multiple games on Fubo TV. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can watch multiple games on Fubo TV. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, in order to watch multiple games on Fubo TV, you have to follow these steps. So, there are two ways to access Multiview. First, from the menu, highlight the live channel or event you want to watch from any menu screen. Then press and hold the touchpad to open the options menu. After that, select Watch in Multiview. Then just swipe left or right to highlight a second channel and click the touchpad to select the channel. The second way is from Live TV. First, swipe up to view more live channels. Then swipe left or right to highlight a second channel to watch, then press and hold the touchpad to watch in Multiview. So that's how you can watch multiple games on Fubo TV. That's all for this video.